Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a cute cartoon penguin. Let's get started in the center of our page with the eyes. So I'm going to get started on the left side with a circle, starting from the top. We'll work our way all the way around and back to the top. Now I'm going to leave a gap in the center and do the same thing on the right. So we're going to line up the top of the circle. Now I'm going to push the pupils in towards the inside of the eye. So on the left side, I'm going to draw a smaller circle, starting from the inside of the left eye. Work our way around, and then back in. We're going to do the same thing on the right. Starting from the inside, we're going to go around in the opposite direction. Now on the top left of each pupil, I'm going to draw a smaller circle for a highlight. And then let's fill the pupil in black. Now right in the center here, between the eyes, we're going to draw on the beak. So let's start with the top of the beak first. So on the left side, we're going to curve up and then back down on the right. Now from these points, I want to draw two straight lines coming down to the tip of the beak. Starting on the left, we'll just angle down and in. Then from the right, we'll come down and then in. Now just above each eye, we're going to add in the eyebrows. So on the left side, I'm just going to curve these up, going upwards. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's draw on the outside of the head. So I'm going to step up in the middle, right to the top. I'm going to leave a gap in the center. On the left and right, I'm going to draw two little points. From the left point, I want to curve around and then back in, aiming towards the center of the beak. So start at the top. It's almost like drawing a circle. So we're going to go all the way around. Now right here, we're just going to pull this in, aiming towards the tip of the beak. Go back to the top and work on the right side. Going out towards the right. Now we're going to curve this around, aiming towards the tip of the beak. We want to leave a little gap on the inside. Now let's add some hairs at the top of the head. So from this point, I'm going to curve up, and then we're going to taper this back down about halfway in between these 2 points, curving down. We're going to draw a smaller point with a short curve going up. Now we're going to connect those 2 points with a curve. Now before I draw on the body, I want to give him a little bow tie. So directly below the beak, I'm going to step down here and draw in a circle. On the top left of the circle, I'm going to curve up and out towards the left. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Now we're going to go to the bottom and curve in the opposite direction. So on the left side, we'll curve down and then out. Now we're going to connect the top and bottom lines with a curve, going out and back in. Now on the side of the circle, I'm going to draw a little wrinkle. So on the left side, we're just going to curve up and then out. Now let's move to the outside and draw on the outside of the arms. So on the left side, we're going to step out, curve down and out towards the left. We're going to do the same thing on the right. So lining this up, we'll curve out and then down towards the right to the same height. Now I just want to taper this back in towards the body with a short curve, coming into right about there. The same thing on the right. Now I'm going to overlap the end of the arm with the body. So from this point, we're going to step up and in, go over that line, and then we'll start to pull that back down and in. We'll do the same thing on the right, stepping up and in. We're going to curve out. Now right down here, we're just going to start to pull that in. Now I'm going to draw the top of the foot, just touching the bottom edge of the body. So on the left side here, I'm going to draw a curve, going up and in towards that line. And I'm just going to pull that down on the inside. We're going to do the same thing on the right. Starting from the outside, we'll curve up in towards that line and then down. Now let's connect these 2 points with a curve for the bottom of the foot. We'll do the same thing on the right. Let's separate out the toe. So from the top of this curve, I'm going to go down and out towards the left. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to connect the heels with a curve. Starting on the left side, we're going to go up in the middle and then back down on the right. We're going to finish this off with a little belly patch. So on top of the left foot, curve up and in towards the middle. We're going to round this out. Now we're going to come down on top of the right foot And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's our cute cartoon penguin. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.